We have already understood how to create shape layers in different ways, how to manipulate them using shape properties, and how layer stacking order works. So when we create any shape, either in rectangle or circle or any custom shape with pen tool, a path will be generated always. So in this lesson, we will understand what paths are exactly and how they work. So let's create a rectangle of any size. Now expand shape layer properties. And in the rectangle path, we have three parameters as size, position, and roundness, which we have learned before. But now, what will happen if we want to change one node of the rectangle? In that case, if we try to select one node, whole rectangle will be get selected. Even if we take pen tool, we are unable to add points to our rectangle. Sometimes it may cause problems, especially when you are morphing shapes. So we have a solution for it. Let me turn off visibility of this layer, and now I am going to draw another rectangle. But this time, before drawing it, make sure this Bezier path is checked on and not draw the rectangle. Let's open rectangle path property, and now it has only one parameter, that is path. Now we cannot give roundness to it, but if we select this path, we can modify individual nodes same as we have done with the shapes generated by the pen tool. Now by using pen tool, we can add additional points to it and can modify them. If you want handles on any point, just hold down Ctrl and Alt and drag it, and it will generate handles on that point. To break these handles, hold down Ctrl and Alt again, and it will break them. So this is the difference between the normal path and Bezier path. Now let's assume another case. Suppose you have drawn a rounded rectangle without checking this Bezier path, because many times we need to change roundness of the rectangle after drawing it. But if we check this Bezier path, we will be unable to change its roundness. In that case, first change the roundness of the rectangle and then right click on the rectangle path and click on Convert to Bezier path. Now we will have this Bezier path again, and we can select nodes individually and can modify them. In next lesson, we will learn how to merge paths.